Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 79, The Etiquette of Sleeping. Hadith number 416. Hudhaifa, may Allah be pleased with him, said, when the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, went to bed at night, he placed his hand under his cheek and then said, O Allah, in your name, I die and live. When he woke up, he said, Praise be to Allah who has brought me to life after he made me die, and to him is the gathering. Sahih al-Bukhari, Da'awat 7. Hadith number 417, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Adab 26. Jabir ibn Samura, may Allah be pleased with him, said, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, used to pray Fajr and then sit cross-legged where he was until the sun had become white.